Which of the following statements about ozone is correct? Option A. Stratospheric ozone protects us from UV radiations. Option B. Tropospheric ozone protects us from UV radiations. Option C. Stratospheric ozone is bad. Option D. Tropospheric ozone is good. Stratospheric ozone protects us from UV radiations. Which of the following is an innovative remedy for plastic waste? Option A. Electrostatic precipitator. Option B. Burning in the absence of oxygen. Option C. Burying 500 meter deep below soil surface. Option D. Polyblend. Polyblend. If an agriculture field is liberally irrigated for a prolonged period of time, it is likely to face a problem of a dash. Option A. Salinity. Option B. Metal toxicity. Option C. Alkalinity. Option D. Acidity. Salinity. Which of the following pairs of gases is mainly responsible for greenhouse effect? Option A. Ozone and ammonia. Option B. Oxygen and nitrogen. Option C. Nitrogen and sulfur dioxide. Option D. Carbon dioxide and methane. Carbon dioxide and methane. Which of the following protocols did aim for reducing emission of chlorofluorocarbons into the atmosphere? Option A. Montreal Protocol. Option B. Kyoto Protocol. Option C. Gothenburg Protocol. Option D. Geneva Protocol. Montreal Protocol. Polyblend, a fine powder of recycled modified plastic, has proved to be a good material for dash. Option A. Making plastic sacks. Option B. Use as fertilizer. Option C. Construction of roads. Option D. Making tubes and pipes. Construction of roads. In stratosphere, which of the following elements act as a catalyst in degradation of ozone and release of molecular oxygen? Option A. Carbon. Option B. Chlorine. Option C. Oxygen. Option D. Iron. Chlorine. Which of the following is a secondary pollutant? Option A. Carbon monoxide. Option B. Carbon dioxide. Option C. Ozone. Option D. Sulfur dioxide. Ozone. World Ozone Day is celebrated on dash. Option A. 5th June. Option B. 21st April. Option C. 22nd April. Option D. 16th September. 16th September. Which one of the following statements is not valid for aerosols? Option A. They are harmful to human health. Option B, they alter rainfall and monsoon patterns. Option C, they cause increased agricultural productivity. Option D, they have negative impact on agricultural land. They cause increased agriculture productivity. Biochemical oxygen demand may not be good index for pollution or for water bodies receiving effluents from dash. Option A, domestic sewage. Option B, dairy industry. Option C, petroleum industry. Option D, sugar industry. Petroleum industry. The highest DDT concentration in aquatic food chain occurs in dash. Option A, phytoplankton. Option B, seagull. Option C, crab. Option D, eel. Seagull. Joint forest management concept was introduced in India during dash year. Option A, 1990s. Option B, 1960s. Option C, 1970s. Option D, 1980s. 1980s. Eutrophication of water bodies leading to killing of fishes is mainly due to non-availability of dash. Option A, oxygen. Option B, food. Option C, light. Option D, essential minerals. Oxygen. Acid rain is caused by increase in the atmospheric concentration of dash. Option A, O3 and dust. Option B, SO2 and NO2. Option C, SO3 and CO. Option D, CO2 and CO. SO2 and NO2. Increase in concentration of the toxicant at successive trophic is known as dash. Option A, biogeochemical cycling. Option B, biomagnification. Option C, biodeterioration. Option D, biotransformation. Biomagnification. The UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in the year 2012 was held at dash. Option A, Warsaw. Option B, Durban. Option C, Doha. Option D, Lima. Doha. The UN Conference of Parties on Climate Change in the year 2011 was held in dash. Option A, Qatar. Option B, Poland. Option C, South Africa. Option D, Peru. South Africa. Rachel Carson's famous book Silent Spring is related to dash. Option A, ecosystem management. Option B, pesticide pollution. Option C, noise pollution. Option D, population exploitation. Pesticide pollution. The zone of atmosphere in which the ozone layer is present is called dash. Option A, ionosphere. Option B, mesosphere. Option C, stratosphere. Option D, troposphere. Stratosphere.